Hi, it's Nurse Stacy with Catching a Buzz Cooking Show, the creator of the Blackjack Lifestyle, the BJL. Tonight I'm cooking up some orzo, O-R-Z-O. It is actually a pasta. Some people may think it is a rice product, but it is a pasta. So it is originally from Italy. So you boil it like pasta, and then you can saute some onions, as I'm doing here separately, and you can put those on top, and you can also put some Greek plain yogurt or some sour cream on top. I am also cooking up the pork chops, as I said. What I'm doing is browning them in some EVOO, that stands for extra virgin olive oil. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It smells fantastic. This is a smell that I used to walk into quite frequently when my father was cooking as I was growing up and I lived at home. A smell that is very familiar to me, and every time I smell it, I think of him. So I did learn my great cooking techniques from my father and my mother and my grandparents. So cooking is fun. We need to create foods that will give us great hair, longevity, and wellness. So in order to do that, you need to consume multiple amounts of fresh, natural nutrients. The less fast and less processed foods you consume, the better off your health will be long term. So if you have any questions, please review my other cooking shows, Catching a Buzz Cooking Show, and go to my website at www.blackjacktoloosefat.info so you can get more information about the BJL, the Blackjack Lifestyle. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, take care.